In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send text appointment reminders with Google Calendar, updated for 2025. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Google. Simply type Google Calendar into your search bar and hit enter. You'll want to click on the link that shows up for Google Calendar. This is usually the first result. Once you've done that, go ahead and sign into your account using your Google credentials. With your calendar now open in front of you, the next step is to select a day for your appointment or event. Go ahead and click on a date in your calendar that you have in mind for your event. After you've chosen a day, it's time to create your event. Click on the date and a pop-up window will appear for you to provide all the necessary details. Now, name your event. This is whatever you're scheduling for. You could call it a doctor's appointment, team meeting, or anything relevant to your needs. Naming your event will help you recognize it easily on your calendar. After naming the event, set up a notification. This is where we ensure that you receive timely reminders. Click on the notification option. You'll typically see a default notification setting there, but you can customize it to be more suitable to your schedule. For instance, you might want a notification 15 minutes before, or perhaps even an hour earlier, depending on what works best for you and the nature of your appointment. Another useful tip is that you can add a separate notification for email. By doing this, you ensure that an email reminder hits your inbox at your selected time. It's like setting a backup reminder to guarantee you won't miss your appointment. This flexibility caters to various kinds of event types, be it urgent work tasks or personal obligations. Once all this is set, go ahead and click the Save button. This confirms and locks in all the details you've entered for your event. After saving, you'll see your event appear on your calendar as you've scheduled it. What's excellent about this setup is that it will automatically notify you and send the text reminders at the times you specified. That's it. Your event is now fully set up in your calendar, and you can trust that Google will keep you on track with reminders, reducing your chances of missing important tasks or appointments. Whenever you need to set another appointment reminder, simply follow these steps and you'll be all set. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.